Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy March, and here I'm back with another home tour. This is a NewMark builder. This house is 3,600 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and 1 media room and 1 game room. And let's get started. So here is the entrance to the house. Look at that beautiful staircase. To the left, that's the dining room, and look at the great light fixtures. I feel like they look so romantic. Here are the floors, wooden floors, and the dining room has a different set of flooring. I think it's tiles. Then to the right, I don't know what that is, but I would make it into a library. But that sitting room looks so beautiful. And to the right in the corner was a bedroom over there. So I'm kind of just going through the house showing you everything, but I'll get to the bedrooms in a second. So as we go down the hallway into the living area, this house is kind of small. The living area is small, but I love the ceiling to floor to ceiling windows and the panels that they have in between. But what I hate is that the neighbors can see inside. I'll never be okay with that. And then I'm walking inside the kitchen. I love the cabinets. I love the stove. I love the little island. But for me, and then there's the regular dining area. I'm going to the corner because I feel like it's a little small, and then that wall over there, but where the stairs are, I don't like that because it's taking up space. I like an open floor plan, and I would like that to be open to the hallway. And here I'm just looking at the kitchen, and then I'm like, okay, let's see this pantry. It's cute. Everything is cute, but I'm loving the handles and everything on the cabinets and the door. This is a pretty good house, but it's just kind of small. Even though 3,600 square feet is big, it's considered big, but it has to be big in the right places. And I feel like the kitchen should always be a little bigger than everything else. For me, that's the kind of house I'm looking for. So if you go around, I went through the kitchen, you can go back into the formal dining area, and then from there is the laundry room, which is nice, but I would prefer to have like water and like a sink inside there. Then I come back around, and then I'm going outside. And I'm just comparing this house to the first house that we saw. I do have a link up. I'll post a link or something at the bottom to let you see how it looked. The outside of that was spectacular, and I was underwhelmed with this outside. It's good that it has a shaded area. I'm showing you some more of the floors. And then here is the main bedroom. Like I said, it's beautiful. Everything, how they decorated, the flooring, the everything that they picked out to put everything together is beautiful. But again, it's just so small. Here is one of the closets, and then here's another, which is great because, and a linen closet. I want a linen closet so bad. I grew up with a linen closet. I don't have a linen closet in this apartment that I'm in now, and it's sad. And then the house is just beautiful. The main bedroom was beautiful. No complaints except for the bathroom was just so small. And then in the foyer, walking into the living area, there is a storage space. Storage is always important because when you buy a house, you have to think about living in it and the things that you will accumulate. So here's that bedroom that was off to the right of the house from the entranceway. Of course, this is a model home, so their offices are inside these homes, so you have to imagine what it looks like as a bedroom. And then I just love these steps. I don't really like wood, but no complaints here. I like this. I like the color, and the it wraps around. So I'm going to go to the left, and I don't know if this is the game room or the media room. I'm thinking it's the media room or game room. I don't know, because they both look the same. I don't see any games anywhere. So the way they staged it is kind of throwing me off. So I would think this is the media room right here, since it is a little more cozy. I love the way they decorated it. I would definitely put a long sofa in my media room, because I don't like those big, chairs, lazy boy chairs that people have in there, even though that's just my style. But I love this space right here because it's great for large gatherings or people staying at your house and you don't want them downstairs, or the kids can be upstairs, adults can be downstairs, or vice versa. You just have two choices for room. And then just to look over the stairwell down into this living space, it's really beautiful. It's so beautiful. And I guess this space upstairs makes up for the small space downstairs. So here's the issue. So there's 2 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bedrooms downstairs, and these tiny bedrooms are just so small, so they're like a Jack and Jill style. And each bedroom, they have their own sink, but they share a bathtub and a toilet. And I'm thinking, like, if I got this house, I would need a place to film, and I don't know, it's not right. And then a guest room. So this doesn't work for me, and I would just make this one room with a ensuite for Sydney. Just make a nice bathroom and a nice room size for Sydney, and she can have that. And then I will make one of those bedrooms downstairs, the one by the entrance, the front door, I would make that my office. That's what I would do. But then I wouldn't have a room for any guests or anything. So I just feel like this is nice, but they didn't utilize the square footage to the best advantage for me. So, and then some of that space they should have made that other living area smaller and created a room, instead of having those 2 small rooms with 2 sinks and shared tub. I don't like that layout. But I love the stairwell. That is like the focal point, and it's really beautiful when you walk inside the door, and when you walk down, look at it. I had to do like a little, walking down, take my time so y'all can see. It makes me feel a little glamorous, or like I envision Sydney coming down the steps on her prom day, taking pictures of her prom date waiting for her. Those are the things that I visualize. But that is it for the home tour. Again, the builder is NewMark Builder. It says it outside. I might be saying it wrong, but let me know what y'all think about this house. Would you buy this house? What are the good and bad qualities that you see in this house? Maybe you can open up my eyes to things that I didn't see, and open up my mind to things that I should see. So even though this house may be great for someone else, it didn't cut the vibe check for me. So I'm going to continue searching for the home that I think will be great for Sydney and I. I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't pressed that notification bell, go ahead and press it so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And most of all, share this video. I thank you guys and have a blessed day.